In this example, we're gonna evaluate an integral over a region in the Cartesian coordinate system, and we're gonna sketch the region and evaluate the integral. Okay, so looking at our limits of integration, we're gonna see that we're gonna be integrating this. The region that's bounded. It's gonna be the secant function, and we're going to be integrating with respect to u first. So we would get the limits by, if we would imagine a vertical line, it's going to intersect at u equals 0, and it's going to leave at this curve right here, which is the secant function. And to integrate all these little lines across, t is going to range from minus pi over 3 to pi over 3. It's written kind of small, but this is what it says right here, pi over 3 minus pi over 3. And this is the little area that we want to calculate. Okay, so we're integrating in the TU plane. These are orthogonal, so these are Cartesian coordinates. So this integral right here, just draw a little arrow over here. Let's calculate it. So we have our limits minus pi over 3 to pi over 3, and we get 3 cosine t, and we're integrating with respect to u first, and we don't have a u, so this is just become a u. Evaluated at the upper limit of integration going to be secant t, and the lower limit's going to be 0 times our differential dt. So this is going to equal out to our limits (3 cosine t), and this is just going to give us a secant t. And times our differential dt. And if we remember our our trig functions, this secant t is 1 over cosine t, so it's gonna be nice, and it's gonna simplify our mathematics a whole lot. So this is gonna give us, which is the minus sign right there, minus pi over 3 cosine t, and our secant right here is 1 over cosine t times the differential dt, and these cosines are going to cancel out. So we're left with the simple integral, which is 3 times our limits of integration dt, and this is going to equal to 3 times t evaluated at pi over 3 and minus pi over 3, and that is going to equal to pi minus pi. So these two minuses are going to give us a positive, so we're going to get 2 pi. So this little area under this region bounded by these curves is 2 pi, and here's a quick sketch of what we're integrating right here. And before we get feel free to subscribe. Thank you.